Make your belly into jelly.
Oh my God. Oh man. Oh. Woo. Let me recover for a little bit. I think I'm 6'5" now.
Should have measured you.
Ooh. Wow. Oh man. I just feel like I just got separated. Like
Still kicking too.
I do feel taller. A weird new clarity. It's just like weird, man. I don't know. I feel so much straighter. Honestly.
When's the last time you felt this good?
Man. Probably high school. 2007. My graduation year. Like it feels weird after leaning and compensating for so long. Now it feels like I can't do that now. A lot of pain relieved. I feel it instantly, so
For sure.
awesome.